Welcome back now. I tell you what, before we get to the recap, let's just tell you that three-time champions Corinaldi Avenue Primary reclaimed their title in the INSPORTS Western Region Primary Championship, winning by over 50 points at Stetson Saturday. Here now is Denise Walters.
Corinaldi Avenue Primary won 5 of the 29 finals contested on the day. But it was the schools they left in their wake that took control on Saturday. Tajon Price of Woodland Primary and Infant School won the boys Class 1 100 meters in a record 12.61 seconds, ahead of Black River Primary and Infant Somarian Chanteloup 12.66 and Kamar Lee of Mountainside Primary 12.92. Chanteloup returned to capture the boys Class 1 200 meters, clocking a record 25.92, getting the better of McIntosh's Dylan Bent and Mountainside's Lee. Glen Stewart's Shaquan Reed bagged double gold in the boys Class 2 100 and 200 meters. Reed won the 100 meters in a record 12.89 seconds ahead of Kennardo Wedderburn of Flankers Primary and Jamar Jones of Black River. Reed also took the 200 meters, clocking 23.32, getting there ahead of Jones and Dimitri Anson of New Broughton. Brompton's Jovi Williams got the better of the middle quarters pair of Giovanni Lawson and Tajon Watson to win the boys for 100 meters in 59.53 seconds. The Class 2 300 meters went to Ryan Foster of Howard Cook, who won ahead of middle quarters Brandon Burnett and Glen Stewart's Lamar Clark in 46.09. Tajay Gale of Brompton captured the boys 800 meters open in 2 minutes 32.18 seconds, winning ahead of McIntosh's Donnell Bradford and Tommy Thomas of Burnt Savannah. Howard Cook Primary won the boys 4x200 meters relay open in 1 minute 52.28, finishing ahead of Brompton and Corinaldi. Over in the field, Malik Buchanan leapt to 5.06 meters to win the boys long jump, ahead of Brampton's pair of Javani Francis and Kenique Grooves. Meanwhile, on the girls' side, Chelsea Hutchinson of Glen Stewart mined gold in the girls' Class 1 200 meters, clocking a record 26.97 to win ahead of Natasha Bernard of Bethel Primary and Wakefield's Jasmine Williams. Fuller's Wood Renika Reed took the girls' Class 2 event in 27.63, getting the better of Black River's Kendra Wright and Nadrika Miller of Christiana Moravian. Jalika Foster won the Class 2 300 meters, clocking a record 46.25 seconds to win ahead of Howard Cook's Zaria Graham and Corinaldi's Britannia Richardson. Glen Stewart ran a record 1 minute 53.72 to win the 4x200 meters relay open, finishing ahead of Carisbrook Primary and Infant, with Brompton Primary ending third. After 40 finals contested overall, Corinaldi racked up 239 points. They were followed by Black River Primary 183 points. Glen Stewart finished third with 180 points. Howard Cook and Brompton scored 147 and 135 points to finish fourth and fifth respectively. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.